Hello, everybody. This is Eustace Leon Greaves Jr., your insurance and financial advisor. You can call me Coach. Coming to you live with a Greaves Financial Services moment today. I don't know if you're aware of it, but back on December 17th, President Obama signed into law extension of some of the old Bush tax cuts, and that law was called the Tax Relief, Unemployment Insurance Reauthorization, and Job Creation Act of 2010. And again, that was done on December 17th. Well, folks, whether or not you're aware of it, anytime they do anything to the tax law, that means that everybody at the Internal Revenue Service, especially those in the programming department, have to spend a great deal of time reprogramming the computers to get ready for the filing season. Problem is, this law was signed into effect on December 17th, and by my calendar on the wall, week after next is January of 2011 when tax filing season begins. Normally not a major problem for most, but here's the thing. If you itemize deductions on your taxes, number one, if you're an educator who takes the educator expense deduction in the adjusted income section on page 1 of your 1040, number 2, and number 3, if you do anything with higher education costs in terms of taking a credit for that, well, IRS is basically saying that it doesn't make sense for you to even think about filing your income tax return until anywhere from mid-February until late February. So again, if you file using Schedule A, which means you itemize your deductions, do yourself a favor. Don't rush into your tax preparer, because unless the Internal Revenue Service releases a notice that says, we're ready for you now in early February, it won't make sense, because, again, here's what happens. There has to be a brand new Schedule A. So they've got to redo that. And on top of that, not only do they have to print them, now they have to get all that information out to all of the tax software companies to make sure that everybody's software is updated. So look at it like this. Again, if you file a Schedule A, itemized deductions, easy way to do it, take a look at your tax return. See if you've been doing that over the years. If you're taking educator expenses, and if you're taking any credits really for higher education course, chances are you're not filing until probably late February. So here's a tip. If you are hoping for an early tax return, say the end of January, beginning of February, to help you pay off your Christmas bills or some other bills that may be coming up, do yourself a favor. Make plans now to find another source of income to pay those bills. All right, I've got to go. This has been another Tax Tip Moment by Eustace L. Greaves Jr. That's me, your insurance and financial services advisor. You can reach me with any questions at 718-783-2722. That's 718-783-2722, or by email at insuremeeg@aol.com. That's insuremeeg@aol.com. Take care. God bless. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, whatever you believe in. And remember to always make it an outstanding day. Bye-bye.